You're over 40 and you still haven't started your own YouTube channel? What are you waiting for? Maybe technology scares you? Maybe you think it's too late. Today, I'm going to walk you through such an easy process to get you started on your YouTube channel. I'm Mr. Mike, teacher, content creator, live streamer, and I'm over 40, and I'm here to help you grow and create your content while managing with fibromyalgia and having a family. What you'll learn, well, in this video, we're going to talk about tools you need, how to set up your channel, and the first video you ever make. Ever. So don't be shy, or just be a little bit shy. Head over to youtube.com, log into your Google account, and create a channel. That's how easy it is. That's all you got to do. Pick a name. I recommend something personal, something a little bit niche, something that you like, that you create, but don't just do it on a whim. Take about 5 minutes to think about what you want to really focus on. Creating with Mr. Mike, creating with Dave, creating with Steve, pastries with Penelope. Dave builds after 50. Don't stress about it, because after you choose your name, you can always go back and change it, although the handle might be taken. Step Number 2, upload a profile picture. A good selfie always works. Sometimes I use logos of my name. Sometimes I use cartoon images of myself. Sometimes I use my face. Then add a short description to your channel. I help 40-plus-year-olds create content on YouTube and social media. And you don't need a logo right off the bat, and you don't need a banner. You can just start making. You can worry about that stuff later. But Mr. Mike, what do I actually need? Well, that's pretty simple. You need some basic equipment. You need a phone camera. You need some natural light. I do not have the best natural light in this living room space, and so I'm using a variety of small lights, and the light coming in from the window is terrible. Absolutely terrible. It's not the best place to record, but we're doing it anyways. You need a quiet space. Really only record if you have a quiet space or if you have quiet time alone from everybody to live with. Because if everybody's running around and screaming and playing music in the background, you're going to get hit with copyrights. You don't want that. So that's really it. That's all you need. You don't need a $500 camera to start. You don't need a $200 microphone. You just need something simple. What's the next step? Well, the next step is press record. Start talking. Just start talking. Listen back and watch your video after. And your first video doesn't need to be perfect. It just literally needs to exist so you can upload it. That's it. Talk to the camera. Hey, I'm Mr. Mike, and I got a silly hat on with his logo and a beard, and I haven't shaved in like 2 weeks. That's your YouTube journey. That's all you need to do. You just need to show up and start. What's the next step? Well, you take your video and you upload it. That's it. Add a title. No fancy editing, no music, no nothing. Just upload it. And what's the most important thing? Your first video and uploading and the momentum, and then from there. And we'll talk about later how frequently you should post. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button so we can continue talking, having a conversation, and creating more content to help you create your content